Hello, it's me again, Bridget. I bet you remember me from the How to Measure video. Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your curtains from DIYblinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. If you have large curtains over 3 meters, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean. Then scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIYblinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page. If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390. Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder. Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start, but if you're drilling into plaster, you have 2 options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or ceiling battens are. Your second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your curtain brackets to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYblinds a call before going any further.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm an expert opera singer, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIYblinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your curtains. To be honest, I've seen lots of curtains in my time, so I think I've got this one covered. First up, lay your track near your bay window. For 2 or more pieces of track, lay your joiners on the floor and click 2 tracks into it, like this. Now, you should have a box, and I don't mean those expensive boxes you get at the theatre. The box you received from DIYblinds. And in this box, you should have enough brackets to space them 600mm apart. So, lay out your brackets next to your track like this. If you've chosen a face mount, it's best to attach them to wall studs. But if it's a ceiling mount, it's best to attach them to ceiling battens. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a ceiling mount, but I'll also highlight, and trust me, I know all about highlights, the step you need to take if attaching to the wall. Now, using a stud finder, you need to find your wall studs or ceiling battens, which can run both la lengthways or va vertically. If you're fixing to the ceiling, you'll need to make marks on the ceiling 35mm out from your wall. For a wall mount, make a mark at the height of where your curtains will start like this. Your brackets will screw into your stud. For both fits, you'll need brackets near both ends and the middle of your track. Next, we need to clip the corner brackets onto the track near the track curve. Mark where your brackets will attach and then unclip your brackets so you can screw them on. Position the back of each bracket in line with the marks on your ceiling or walls and mark the screw holes. Now, screw your brackets in. Next, pick up your track and lift it into position with the curves in your corners so they line up with your brackets. Click the track into the brackets starting in the middle. Then tighten the screws to fix the track in place with your drill. Bravo! Click your track into the other brackets and tighten the screws, checking as you go that the track is fixed securely in place. Now it's time to click in your curtains. Check the top of your curtain panel and make sure there's a pendant or hook attached to each press stud. For S-fold curtains, click each pendant into your track, starting at one edge, making the S shape as you go. Fold the fabric alternately, forwards, then backwards. For pleated curtains, attach each hook into your track. Hook your curtains into the runners hanging from your track, starting from the outside. Make sure you hook your curtains into all the runners. For centre opening curtains, repeat this step for your second curtain panel. And these are your final curtains. See what I did there? Oh. Oh. L'amour, 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 l'amour. If you need any more help, just sing out on 1300 918 390.